So regarding team selection, Hyderabad again selected Saha in the middle order, and he didn't impress much with the bat. But he did give stability, but he couldn't accelerate. And for Kolkata, it was a little risky selecting only 5 batsmen in the 11. Only 5 recognized batsmen, but somehow they got away with it.
Hi, in terms of team selection, SRH definitely need to bring in Kane Williamson because they are lacking serious batting ability in the middle overs, especially if they lose Bairstow and Warner early. For KKR, they went with a lot of bowling options in this match. It was really good to see Kamlesh Nagarkoti. I have a soft corner for him, and with 7 bowling options, though it thins the batting lineup a little, it gives the captain a lot of flexibility in terms of whom to bowl, whom not to bowl.
KR looks solid, but I'm still not convinced with Narayan opening the innings. I would prefer Tom Banton replacing Narayan at the top. And for SRH, their middle order is very weak. So if Kane Williamson is fit, and I feel he is fit, so he should have been there in the team.
As they don't have a good middle order, so I think there should be 3 changes. Priyamkar should be replaced with Virat Singh. Vidyaman Saha should be replaced with Abdul Samad, and Nabi should be replaced with Kane Williamson, or Barrister could be replaced with Kane Williamson, according to the team selection, which is my opinion.
Turning point of the match has to be the spell by Cummins. 19 for 1 was a really good spell.
Turning point was Varun Chakravarti's wicket of David Warner. It was a good cotton ball from a flipper.
And coming to the turning point of the match, I think David Warner losing his wicket to Varun Chakravarti's bowling was a turning point. He was actually giving a pace for the match, and I think he would have taken the team home.
Uh, Key performances, I will say Cummins was brilliant. His opening spell, getting him to bowl in the first power play was bringing him early was crucial, and his wickets of Bairstow was critical in derailing the lineup, and also the ability and the composure with which Gill played. Rashid Khan was critical because Rashid Khan was the key. The only option, the only way SRH could win was with Rashid Khan destroying the KKR lineup. Tactical errors, I will say Saha has been effective in the past in the power play, but I'm not sure if he can deliver on the same level within the middle overs when you have to rotate the strike and then have power to clear the boundaries.
And the tactical mistake as such from SRH side, we would want to have a hit the deck bowler like Billy Stanley, since they were bowling under lights and their spinners were not very effective. And for Kolkata again, maybe one more batsman and a left-hander in the left-hander in the top order. They had Morgan and Rana.
Mistakes that SRH did, I feel, is sending Riddhiman Shah. That actually slowed down the innings.
Tactical error, I think there were not much of tactical errors in this match, but I feel there should be a wicket taking bowler, and I think Abdul Samad is also a bowler who could have helped the team, and Rashid Khan was playing a lot of leg spin, which didn't give him an edge, and for SRH, the person who was standing.
Key performances, I will say Cummins was brilliant. His opening spell, getting him to bowl in the first power play was bringing him early was crucial, and his wickets of Bairstow was critical in derailing the lineup.
And the standout performer was Shubman Gill with his anchoring innings along with good hitting to help them win the match.
Standout performer for me is Shubman Gill. The way Shubman Gill anchored the innings is really remarkable. Not to forget, KKR was playing 5 pure batsmen, and a wicket here and there could have exposed their tail.
was Manish Pandey. He played really well, but he got out at the wrong time. And I hope we could bounce back. We could get back into the way we were performing and also defend the match in the future. And I think today SRH was lacking in all the three departments: bowling, batting, and fielding. They also lost. Uh, when they were creating momentum and they could have taken two wickets, two catches were also missed. So I think we if we work on these departments and have a good middle order, SRH could go into the playoffs.